everyone, and welcome to Elaborate Designs by Aisha. This is Aisha, and today I'm bringing to you my Christmas 2020 Christmas Fireplace Mantle. And as you see, I have decorated my mantle in the traditional colors of red, green, and silver. Right here, I have added my garland, and all I did was added some ornaments. Here are my beautiful green reindeers, and I love them. They are gorgeous. I have the mama deer as well as what I call the baby deer. And all I did was just add some snow under my reindeer, as you see right there. And my daughter added these beautiful figurines that I've been had for about 2 years now. All right, and as you see, I have also added my beautiful red uh, reindeer. And again, I have the mom as well as the baby deer. All right, and as you see right here, I have added my beautiful gnomes. And my husband and I purchased these gnomes last year after the Christmas sale at Walmart. And I've added my beautiful Merry Christmas Ferris wheel, as well as this beautiful sign that says the best gift around the Christmas tree is the presence of family wrapped in love. Here's my beautiful house that I purchased from Home Depot about 2 years ago. And I absolutely love this house. And here is the other gnome that my husband and I purchased last year from Walmart. So I decided to do something different this year with my fireplace mantle and add the traditional colors of green, red, and silver. All right, so now I'm about to show you the night view. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You all have a blessed day.